Hi everyone, today we are gonna do a quick get ready with me video and we're gonna use Spa Salon BB cream while sharing some of our childhood memories. So we were born 5 minutes apart and she's the older twin and I'm the younger twin. I'm 5 minutes older to Mela. Okay, so growing up, Mela and I hated cheese. We hated the sight, the smell, the look of cheese, but now it's something that we absolutely love. This is the perfect shade for our skin and you only want a very little of it. I just took a little bit extra. This is a rose color, which is really nice when it mixes with the pinkish skin. Let's see how it looks. So growing up, Mela and I would live to prank paper. We loved it. We loved it so much that, on the 1st of April, Mela always had her prank sorted. So this story is when we were in school and it wasn't a planned prank. It was a very random prank. And yeah, Mela, just share it with you. We were in 7th grade. Was it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we were in 7th grade. Why do I remember 8 or 9? And this was the time we had the substitute teachers visiting. And so we had an English lesson with the substitute teacher. So that was my first day. And Kela was absent on this day. So the next day when she came to school, now you have to continue. So she was given homework, which I was not informed. Which I didn't do because I didn't go to school. The next, what happened there? Why didn't we go to school like that? Anyway, so the next day when I went to school, I was right in front of the class and they were like, the teacher was like, get your homework out, get all the homework out. And I was like, I didn't go to school the previous day, so I don't have to do any homework. And she was like, where's your homework? I'm like, I didn't come to school yesterday. And you were pretty chill about it. Yeah. You were like, and I already knew that, Mela was seated right where I was the previous day, but we just went ahead. The entire class was in with me on this. And I was like, what homework? I didn't come to school. Stand. You stand. You're saying that you didn't come to school yesterday. No teacher, I didn't. It was, I was sick. I didn't come to school yesterday. So you are saying that I didn't give you homework yesterday. No teacher, I was absent. And I was going on and the girls, I can hear them giggling, I can hear them laughing, I can see the teacher getting red in her face and angry. How dare you take me for a fool? I wasn't, I just didn't go to school. And after about 5 minutes of that, she was like, okay, you're going to the principal's office with me. This is not funny. You were here, I saw you. And then one girl from nowhere was like, teacher, they are twins. The other twin came to school yesterday, it wasn't her. And she didn't like that answer either. So I had to go to the principal's office anyway. But yeah, that was a very unintentional prank. That was funny. So that's minimal coverage and it's perfect for the everyday look. And it's fantastic because it has SPF 30. It works well as a sunscreen as well, while giving you a light makeup coverage. Yeah, and this also comes in 8 different shades to match, your skin maybe. You think after years and years of getting my makeup done, I would learn to do something decent, but no. But this is quite easy, having something that's giving you a decent coverage and also not making it look like, a full face of makeup is absolutely great. Oh, me. I timed how long it takes for us to do this look. Assuming under 5 minutes. I actually posted this before. We were gonna be born as Siamese twins. We were gonna be born, being stuck together. And that did not happen because I took initiative and didn't let this thing grow out of my hand or palm or whatever. I literally had that inside. It was a long nerve and it was inside my fist, making us all safe and not stuck together, although she's stuck with me for life. So guys, this is our final look with Spa Salon BB cream, and we love the coverage. We love how light it is on our skin.
Leaving our skin at 7 months.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.